Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to insert or remove a SIM card on your iPhone 14 Pro. Alright, let's begin. Before you start, keep in mind that iPhone 14 models sold in the United States only support eSIM and do not include a physical SIM card tray. If you have a US model, you'll need to activate an eSIM through your carrier instead. If your iPhone has a physical SIM tray, you'll find it on the left side of the device. Use the SIM eject tool that came with your iPhone or a straightened paper clip if you don't have the original tool. Insert it into the small hole on the SIM tray and gently press until the tray pops out. To install a SIM card, place your nano-SIM into the tray with the notched corner aligned correctly. Make sure the SIM sits flat. Then carefully slide the tray back into the phone until it's fully flush with the edge. After inserting the SIM card, wait a few moments for your carrier signal to appear. If you're still not getting service, your SIM card may need activation or replacement. In that case, contact your mobile carrier for assistance. So that's basically how you can insert or remove a SIM card on your iPhone 14 Pro. That's it for this video. Thanks!